everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some oatmeal cookies. And what you'll need is some sugar, some flour, some baking soda, some baking powder, some cinnamon, some vanilla extract, some brown sugar, some oats, an egg, and a half a cup plus 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Alright, and then we need a half a cup plus 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And with measuring stuff out, you want it to be as level as possible so that it can be as accurate as you can get it. And there's the cup. And then we need to add 1 tablespoon. Which looks like that. And then we need 1/4 of a cup of white sugar. And shouldn't look like that. Alright, then we need a teaspoon of the cinnamon. And it looks like that. And then we need 1 cup of flour. And it shouldn't look like that. I need to add a little bit more. Oh, geez, kids. That's a little bit better. Alright, and then we need a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And it looks like that. And then we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And it shouldn't look like that. Alright, and then we are going to mix all of that together. And with mixing stuff up, you want it to be as mixed up as possible. And once those ingredients are mixed together, it should look something like that. Alright, and then we need to add 1 egg. And the trick to getting this egg open is by cracking on the side like this. And then there should be a crack like that. And we are going to split it open like that. Alright, and then we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. then we need to add the 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Alright, and then we are going to mix all of that together. Once those ingredients are mixed together, it should look something. Right, and then we need 1/3 of a cup of rolled oats. Alright, and then it should look like that. And we are going to pour that in and then mix it up. Once all the ingredients are mixed together, it should look something like that. And then we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, and for this part, we'll need a cookie sheet, the dough, a spatula, and a cooling rod. Alright, and then we need to take the dough and form it into balls. And then with this, you want to try and get the balls to be about the same exact size. And then this is about the size I'm going to try and make them to be. And then if you want to, you can use a cookie scooper or an ice cream scoop. And then you want to leave a little bit of space between each cookie and between the edges. Alright, and then you keep on doing that until all of the dough is used up. And once the dough is all used up, we are going to bake it in the oven for about 12 minutes. Once the cookies are done baking, it should look something like this.